Hey everyone, my name is Eric Fredrickson, and for my symposium project, I'm going to focusing on the exercise physiology and obesity specifically. How excess adiposity alters cardiovascular and metabolic function, and how structured exercise can help reverse these changes. I chose this topic because it aligns directly with the clients that I already work with and the patients I see in the clinical settings. And honestly, it's like one of the most relevant issues, in America right now. This is a population that I coach daily, so understanding the deeper physiology actually makes me a better coach. Okay, so the reason why I chose obesity is pretty straightforward. It affects nearly everything, including arterial stiffness, VO2 kinetics, cardiac workload, and even autonomic nervous system balance. When you train people who are deconditioned, overweight, or dealing with metabolic issues, you see firsthand how hard simple tasks are. I wanted the science behind what I see every day. And since I'm moving forward towards the clinical and high performance side of strength conditioning, in the long term, this knowledge will be helpful to literally every day of my career. Um, the peer-reviewed article that I'm using for my week 4 writing assignment is from Kirkman, 2022. The researchers examined the impact of exercise training on arterial stiffness in adults with obesity. One thing in particular that I appreciate about this article was it clearly linked obesity to impaired vascular function specifically. So higher pulse wave velocity, reduced compliance, and even elevated blood pressure. What stood out most is that regular aerobic and resistance training significantly reduced arterial stiffness, improved function, and increased exercise tolerance. And it was this, this wasn't elite athletes, but everyday adults with obesity. The takeaway is clear. Even low to moderate intensity exercise can literally improve the health of the arteries and reduce long-term cardiovascular risk. This helps guide my project because it reinforces that exercise isn't just about losing weight. Um, it's about restoring normal physiology for individuals with obesity. This includes improved oxygen delivery, enhanced VO2 peak, the reduced mechanical stress on the heart. So, in my career coaching, I work with clients from PT clinics, tactical populations, and the general population, always focusing on those with elevated risk factors. Understanding the physiology behind obesity enables me to design even more effective programs and also um, explains why specific training methods are crucial. Education is power, and when clients understand the physiology, they're more motivated to stick with the plan. The main question that I personally have, the main question I want to answer through my project is this. So, what type of training, steady state aerobic, interval, or combined resistance work produces the fastest improvement in arterial stiffness and VO2 kinetics in adults with obesity? That's the piece I want to nail down so I can build even more effective programs for this population. Thank you for listening, and I'm excited to go deeper into this topic for the final symposium.